The U.S. Surgeon General is calling gun violence a national health crisis. This comes as we've seen more than a dozen mass shootings in the nation since Friday, including in Montgomery. WAFF 48's Nick Ballinger joins me now in studio and spoke to a civil rights activist and an experienced gun owner to see how they sometimes have differing opinions and can align when it comes to guns. Nick.
Yeah, Margo, that's right. According to the CDC, Alabama has the fourth highest firearm death rate in the nation. Members of the community on both sides of the argument are calling for change. If you gave every single person in the city of Huntsville 100 guns, that would still only make up about 5% of the total amount of guns in circulation in the country, according to FBI data. Recent gun violence has pushed the U.S. Surgeon General to declare guns as a national health crisis,
put a 300 blackout,
leading him to call for legislation to ban automatic rifles and regulate the industry.
Well, I mean, that's a start. I mean, it's not only that, but that certainly is a start.
Bernard Simelton, president of the Alabama NAACP, says a change in legislation needs to happen.
The best legislation that I think it would have a, certainly a waiting period, gun training that you could go to certify that, hey, I've been through, level 1, how to use a weapon.
But gun owners like Carl Leader, who have been around guns for more than 30 years, believe guns aren't the problem.
Guns don't kill people, the bullets kill people.
Gun sales tend to increase in election years, and Leader says it's part of the problem.
The only reason people run out and buy guns the way they do are because the government will do something stupid and they think, oh no, I've got to go get a gun. Well, they know nothing about it, and that's the worst person to just go get a gun.
Leader calls on people and the state of Alabama to make the change.
I'd say it's more a lack of education. As long as you have a valid state driver's license and money, that's about all it takes. Say you just turned 21 and you want to get your first gun, sort of thing. There really should be some sort of course.
Something Simelton agrees with.
So we need to play a larger role in helping to educate, helping to train, nurture.
Both Leader and Simelton told me that it starts with at home, with parents doing a better job on educating kids on the dangers of guns. Margo?